Here we have our solar camping lamp with Bluetooth speaker from Overland vehicle system. This is the light and Bluetooth, and this is like the tripod for it. What's up mga Katribu? Here we have our solar light. We just bought it earlier, which is Overland. Right here, we're gonna assemble it and we'll see how it goes. It costs like $461. Here's the light. So it goes like that, right here. Put it aside. These are the legs and the main part of it, right here. So right now I'll show you all the parts and let's get building. So right here, this is what connects the springs to the light. These are the springs for it. Okay. This is the main part, which you slide all the legs in and screw it just like that. And then right here, this is our main light, which is solar panel. We don't really need batteries. And this is our speaker with 3 different sets of lights, which are magnetic. You can take each one and make it as your own light. And yeah, let's get building. And here it comes with a screw, and you just screw it. I'll leave it right there for now. And these are the springs. We have to put each one in here. Go like that. And this right here has to be facing forward, so we can connect it to here. And this goes over here. So here, it has its own separate screws. You just screw it up there. Okay. And here, you can extend it so up or down here more, whichever way you like. And here it has this lock. Just put it at the top and lock it like that. And there you go. That's our UFO solar light and speaker. So right here, we'll take one of these out. Right here. And you can use them as separate lights, so just hold it pressed. You got one here. It has different modes. Dim, got yellow, and blinkers. Yeah. And here is our speaker. You can take them out or you can hang it here and we'll try it. So here we'll try our speaker with our ringtone. So here we are, is our UFO camping light, solar. See? You can also turn the bottom ones on. And now we're gonna disassemble it. Just take it out here. It has its own separate bag for the solar light. Here we don't really show you is pegs for our stand right here. Here is this is the charging if you want to charge it instead of putting the light sun. And we're gonna take them apart now. I didn't say this too, but it also comes with its own package for this thing that protects it so it doesn't get scratched or anything. And also a separate bag for the legs. And this piece just goes over here. I put them all in their bags. This is the legs right here, and the main lamp, the UFO, and I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching, and please leave a like and share us what you think in our comments. So there you go. Thank you guys for subscribing, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe and leave a like, and I hope you guys stay with us for our future camping trips and with our light right here. And there you go. Thank you. Thank you mga Katribu for watching our video. If you guys want us to go somewhere for our next trip, please leave a comment. And I hope you guys are doing good, and please stay safe during this pandemic. Thank you.